Hello everyone, this is a Blender tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how to make a drill in cube using Blender. Let's open Blender. The Blender version I'm using here is Blender 4.2. Once Blender is opened, delete everything by pressing A and X and choosing delete. Now we are going to make a drill in cube. So first we have to add a cube. For that, press Shift A and in mesh menu select cube. The cube will be added. Now we are going to make a drill here. Okay, so for that we have to add a cylinder. Press Shift A and select cylinder in mesh menu. Cylinder is added. Now select cylinder and decrease the size of the cylinder by pressing S and Shift Z. Okay, now cylinder size is reduced. Now we also want to increase the height of the cylinder a little bit for our reference. Press S and press Z and move the mouse cursor. The height of the cylinder will be increased. Now select cube and go to modifier, press add modifier. In generate menu select boolean. The boolean modifier will be added. In that boolean modifier we have to mention the object. So press object, you will get a pen like tool. With that select this cylinder. Okay, in object you can find cylinder is added. Okay, now apply this modifier and come here, select cylinder and press X and select delete. Now the hole is added in cube. This is the simple way to drill a hole in cube in Blender. Thank you.